young boy, when he get first shot in the arm, the young boy turned on to the gunman and the gunman still brutally kill and shot her in the head, innocently. So that wrong, you understand me?
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Now, you see that a little youth get shot when him go buy bread in a Jamaica, right? No, a trick on get trick. Belize. Yo, me I do that video because one of the subscriber, them keep on leaving a comment. Say me for do some more video upon Belize. But yo, Belize and Jamaica are the same thing. To prove my point that Belize and Jamaica are the same thing. I Belize me I talk about, you know. I Belize me I talk about. But to prove my point, may I play a clip from Jamaica. Sit back and listen to that clip here. And then never come back in and interject. Let's go.
Me call him and he won't come carry all of the bag them.
A mother recalls the last interaction she had with her 15-year-old son, Vesta Roy Sinclair. She said the young man was respectful and helpful, and he was trying to help his mother from the clutches of robbers when he was killed. He was shot once in the head by one of two gunmen who invaded the family's house on Saturday.
No, kill me, baby. Me son, no kill me, baby. I me run go right there, son. Them see when they reach at the jump till they go to I see something and run gone, so.
Now, I play that clip there for just prove the point that the two country them is the same. So let's continue with Belize. Sit back and me go analyze and I go hear what happened to the youth here, dog. And the mistaken identity, man, he might go make a speech. Listen to this. Let's go.
On Monday, the couple himself rejected that, saying this was no accident.
And to shoot or to kill a man because of a color, then you're worse than a monster. At the end of the day, the whole notion about mistaken identity, bull crap. If you want to shoot somebody, make sure you know who the hell you shoot. Cannot buy that nonsense. They wanted to send and make a statement and they can shoot anybody. And they must.
Boy, I'm not lie. Belize and Jamaica are the same thing. But what is kind of fascinating to me, or an anomaly, is the fact that Belize is such a rich country. Belize is a part of South America and a part of the Caribbean. It attached to Honduras. You can leave from Belize and drive all the way up in America, drive through Mexico, Honduras, whatever. But Belize is a nice country. Them have farming, them have natural resource, and you know, them have coke, whole heap of coke. But I just can't understand it. To me, at the same place like Jamaica, it seems like the government them and the corruption is very prominent. But let's talk about this. The youth here, from what the police say, Chester Williams, him a the head boy down there, like what the boy name of Jamaica, Anderson. Him a the Anderson for Belize and things. So he must say it is not a mistaken identity. It is a signal to send a warning to the man them in the area because of the gang warfare. So the first man them see, which was a young boy, you see him in the store by the bread. Them shoot him in him hand, and then after them shoot him in him hand, them give him straight headshot.
Every man, woman, and perhaps child in Belize City knows Dwayne Gabriel's story. He is the innocent child who lost his life to a cruel and callous gunman while buying a pack of bread. And since his death, rumors have swirled that he was either wearing the wrong color or that he was mistaken for someone else.
You hear what the news people them say, him get shot when him go buy bread for him mother. And rumor is flying that it is a mistaken identity. But when I say, in the middle broad day, 4 man come with high-powered weapon. Shoot a little boy. Them sisters a little boy. Then them stand up over him and empty out some shot in him head. How sick is that? How much Jamaica you see in a Belize? When is the gang thing? When is the killing and the murder gonna stop? Yo, me can't tell Belize how to fix them country, you know. Cause me a no Belizean, me a Jamaican. But for some reason, me like Belize and me like Trinidad. Me like the 3 worst country them in the world to blow out when it come to murder. Me don't know where wrong with me countryman, he must be sick. But me like Belize and me love Belize people and me love the Trinidadian people them. You understand? But how can we fix Belize, Jamaica and Trinidad? Alright, me go play the clip from the man who think them did half a film life. Let's go, and me go come back and interject. But this is such a sad story. But this is not a unique story. If you're looking at Belize, enough youth are dead. You're looking at Jamaica, are the same thing. You're looking at Trinidad, are the same thing. So this is not unique. What this is saying is that there is definitely a breakdown in government and civility in these countries.
But this afternoon, our cameras followed a car to an area of Belize City far removed from Victoria Street, where we found a young man who could easily be mistaken for Dwayne. He says if Dwayne was the shot, then he is Harry.
Yeah, just mistaken identity, you get the sense that young boy for me or my family, cause we big like young boy, you get the sense. But all I want people know see you too, there's just chance you innocently out of your life, you get the sense. You get chance, say come a red shirt, anybody could wear red. And this country not free country, you get the sense, mommy.
And this young man says he's hurt by Dwayne Gabriel's death.
Make I get emotionally, you get the sense, cause me and young boy pa, straight, you get the sense. And they say they take him for me, that totally wrong. Cause that youth they couldn't be Belize's next prime minister. You get the sense. That hurt me, that more than hurt me, you get the sense. Cause the point is, the young boy, when he get the first shot in the arm, the young boy turned on to the gunman and the gunman still brutally killed and shot her in the head, innocently. So that wrong, you understand
no plans to go back anytime soon, I assume?
No, man. When I go back wrong if I have to lose my life, that don't make no sense here, too.
The youth is a smart man. You hear him say in Lego, Victoria Street, and the gang war we are going down there. Now, you hear him explain how them deal with the youth. And him say, from where him here, him them come off a coffee, him family them, are the things. And pretty much them lick that boy, they call the man look like him or favor him or must him family member. And I saw the man them a deal with it down in a Belize. A 15-year-old youth get shot and killed by a mistaken identity. In a Jamaica, no, in a Belize. And the reason why me use the Jamaica for the title, me just want to prove, I want to show that Belize and Jamaica is similar. And I want to show, say yo, we have a crisis in the Caribbean, it no matter where you go. You go Trinidad, same thing. You go St. Kitts, same thing. You go Belize, same thing. Guyana, same thing. There is a crisis, and the crisis is because of the inadequacy. It's because of the injustice in terms of economic, in terms of education, in terms of standard of living. It's just injustice, greed, everything negative. So the politician then in these countries, I'm telling you, sooner or later, them are going to have a crisis on them on, and them are going to have a failed state. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button and click on another video. The Siren Riverton video coming up tomorrow, and that will be part 6 of the video, so only can check that out. But like me say, I just want to show the similarity of what's going on in Belize and what's going on in Jamaica. And also, a subscriber asked me to do this story, and he's been asking and asking, so I am going to do it. He said do some more stuff on Belize. But it is sad, it is scary, it is unbelievable, it is crazy. Use the word negative, evil, and that's what we are dealing with. All me I tell them politician, yeah, if we don't make some changes in the next few years, we are going to start a freedom fight in them country. Yo, my name is Countryman, I'm out. Peace.